Okay, Potato, can you see teacher's screen? Can you see my screen, Potato? Hello? Potato? Okay, can you hear me? Okay.
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, please read the mover's tip. Come on, please read.
With me.
Okay.
With me.
Okay, don't worry.
With me.
Yeah.
With me. Remove. Remove it. And
Okay.
with me.
Okay.
Center.
Okay. Please read, please read.
In thinking part 3. A simple and private way for you to talk about the difference between the pictures.
Okay, so we have here speaking part 3. Okay, in speaking part 3, a simple and effective way.
Or a very first level picture that isn't a picnic.
Okay, so look at here. So there you go. Potato, in this activity or in this speaking activity, we are going to tell the differences that we can see in the first picture and the second one. For example, you will say, look at in picture A. What can you see in the picture A that you cannot find something in the picture D? What's their differences, Potato? Can you tell me?
Wow.
Come on. Please, what are the differences? In picture A, there is,
What?
come on, what is the differences? Look at there. You can say in picture A or in picture, this is picture A. Wait me, ha? This is picture A. Next, there is picture letter D. Oh, you can say that in picture A, the trees have leaves. How about in picture D?
Different.
Okay, can you tell me?
Different.
In picture A, the trees got
Different. 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 Okay.
Okay, tell me what are the difference?
No, really. Different. Different. Okay.
Okay, come on, tell me.
Okay.
Okay, go, tell me.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh,
Sorry.
oh, okay. Okay. Mama, okay.
Look at there. In picture A, there's no clouds that covers the moon. Oh, you tell me, you tell me. Come on, tell me.
Okay, we need to talk.
Okay. You okay now? Okay. Hmm.
Ito, basement. Mama, saan eh?
Apa?
Okay.
Okay, you tell me, potato. Tell me. In picture A, go. Okay, potato, tell me.
Okay. Picture I in 11 window. Picture D 4, 7, 7 window.
Hmm.
Picture I
In picture A,
in box picture D is 3, 3.
hmm.
Picture I tablet. Tablet. Picture
Hmm.
D. But picture D don't tablet.
Next.
Picture. Picture I. In the picture I don't have cloud. But picture D is have cloud.
Hmm.
In the picture E. Okay.
Okay, you're done? You're done, potato? Okay, as you can see, I have seen here so many circles. It means that you saw the differences here in these two pictures. So what you've said is correct, that there were a lot of differences in the picture A and picture B. So that is how we compare objects or pictures. We have to look at what there is in the first picture that we can find in the second one. Very good, potato. Okay. Now, potato, look at here. I have here another picture, and I have a question for you. Let's talk about the differences between the picture, and there is more than one difference. Okay, potato, how about this picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, and picture 4? What are the differences that you can see? So many pictures. 4 pictures.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay, look at here. Look at here, potato. Look at picture 1 and picture 2. What are the differences in picture 1 and picture 2? In picture A, it's a, look at the picture 1. It's a girl. Is it a girl in picture A? How about in picture 2? Oh, it's a boy. Very good. And look at the doors, potato. Do the 4 pictures got same color of the door? What do you think?
Purple.
Oh, what are the numbers of the pictures that got the same purple color door? What are the picture? Where can we find the purple door? What pictures? Picture 1. Come on, please read. Picture 1. Mm.
Two.
Picture 2. And what else?
Picture 2, picture 3, picture 4.
Okay. How about picture? Oh, picture 3 is the same? Ah? Which one? Which picture got different color, potato? Potato. Which picture got different color? It's the picture number?
Number 3.
Number 3. Why picture 3 is different? Potato. Why?
But picture 3 don't yellow.
Okay. Picture 3, it's the picture 3 is different because it's yellow. Very good. That's why it's different, right? Okay, next. Oh, so there you go. That's the end of Unit 13, potato. Now let's move to Unit 14. Wait me for a while. Wait me. Okay, there you go. Potato. Let's do Unit 14. What is Unit 14 all about? Fun for? Please read. Fun for movers. It's our homes. Now here, let's talk about our home. So we have here vocabulary words. What's the first word, potato? The first word is person. Next. Second.
People.
People. And?
Address.
Okay, do you understand these 3 words? Person, people, and address. You know these words? Yes or no? You know these words, potato? You know this? Yes or no? Okay, next. What's the first word? Village. Correct. Next one we have downstairs. And what's next? Next is the
Upstairs.
upstairs. So we have village, downstairs, upstairs. Okay, next. How about this one? What is this? Apartment. Correct. This one.
Countryside.
Countryside. This one. That is a, what is that? It's a town. Again. Again, potato. What's the third word we have? We have,
Countryside.
okay, town. Next. Okay, here, potato. Let us try to write the missing words of the following. Okay? Okay, potato. My blank is Jack Fine. What do you think is the missing words? Is it my people, my address, my room, my tree, my name, or my house? My blank is Jack Fine. What do you think?
My house.
My house is Jack Fine? Is it, what is Jack Fine? Is it a house? Jack Fine is a, again, it's a name. Okay, with me. I will draw lines. Okay, next. Number 2. My blank is 78 Garden Road. What do you think is the answer? My blank is 78 Garden Road. What is that?
House.
My house is 78 Garden Road. Is it correct?
Dinner.
You are going to tell the location of your place. What is that? My blank is 78 Garden Road. What do you think, potato? My potato, hello. My house? My house is 78 Garden Road. Are you sure?
In a village called well. Your home has six. Our home has 6 rooms.
How about the second one? I live in a block in a village called Well. I live in a potato. I live in a
Ready.
hmm.
Wait.
Okay. I live in a My house is 78.
One me.
Okay. How about the second one? Okay, done? Are you done? All right, let's see your answer. We have here number one. Wait me. Number one, my name is Jack Fine, correct? Two, my address is 78 Gordon Road. I live in a house, correct? In a village called Well, and our room. Okay, very good. Okay, Potato, read properly the short message. Okay, go. Please read Potato properly. My name, go.
My name is Albert.
Ha? Again, my name is Jack Fine. Don't read so fast. Read slowly but clearly. Go. My name. Potato, read properly. Go. My name.
is Jack Fine. My address is 17A Garden Road. I live in a house in a village called Well. Your home has a room. We got a kitchen, a living room, and a dining room downstairs.
Dining, not dining. It's dining room.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay. Was it easy or difficult? What can you say, Potato? Is the activity easy or difficult?
Difficult.
Difficult? Why it's difficult? What makes it hard? Do you understand the words or no? Potato, do you understand the words? Yes or no? Good thing that you understand. Okay. So here we go. Okay, so I have here question. Potato, what is Jack's family name? What is the family name of Jack? It's Fine, correct. Next, what's the number of Jack's house? What's the number of Jack's house, Potato? It, again, louder. 78. Very good. Potato, how do you spell the name of Jack's village? How do you spell? How do you write the word or the letters of the Jack's village? W. Come on. Tell me the letters. Potato.
W.
Next.
W.
W. Next. What's next? W. E.
L.
Very good. Next, Potato. How many bedrooms are there in Jack's house? How many bedrooms are there in Jack's house?
Bedroom.
How many? There are?
2.
2. Correct. And what are they? What are they?
What?
Okay. What are the rooms that we can find in Jack's house? Potato, what are the rooms that we can see at Jack's house? What are the rooms?
Yes.
Kitchen. What else?
Living room.
Living room, dining room, bedroom, and
Home.
Okay, very good, because you were able to tell me the different rooms that we can find here at Jack's house. Okay, so Potato, we will end our class there because it's already time. Okay, so Potato, I'm so happy today because you were able to answer all of the questions I asked. Very good. You did a great job today. Very good. All right. So that would be all for today, Potato. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye. Good night, Potato. Okay, you can sleep now.